I had this challenge to build an overhead rig in just 5 days. This is not gonna be your typical Greenbox video, this is actually gonna be a project vlog. Follow me on my path to find out if my project is gonna work or not. And now on to the backstory. Yo, what's the matter? Listen, your overhead rig really sucks. Yeah, I know, it's pretty DIY, but it works, so what's the problem? It kinda looks unprofessional. I don't like it. You need to create a new one, which cannot be seen by the facecam. It needs to be done by next Friday. And make sure we don't see it on the facecam. See ya on Friday. So I had this challenge to build an overhead rig in just 5 days. And well, I did what everyone would do. I went on YouTube and searched for overhead rigs. But we had a problem. All those rigs on YouTube were like DIY as hell, ugly as hell, or just not practical at all because it was basically the same I did. I was like, how do I tackle this task in just 5 business days? And I was like, hey, Manfrotto, they are doing those heavy duty magic arms. So I reached out to Manfrotto Switzerland and did not get an answer because I have 50 subscribers. That's why I bought one. There's the second problem. How do I mount this to a ceiling? Actually, on Amazon there are some mounts, but sadly they are not shipping to Switzerland and I could not find anything like this in Switzerland, so I had to do something because I only had 5 days. And at the point I've got this arm, there were only 3 days left for this project. So I went to a camera store and looked around if I could find anything, and I came up with this one. That's actually a Visa mount and is used to mount displays to a wall or just like this magic arm to a magic arm. So I was like, hey, why not use the Visa mount to mount the Visa mount to the ceiling and attach the magic arm to the mount instead of the other way. So that's actually exactly what we are going to do in this video. We've got this magic arm, the Visa mount, and this one is going up there. Actually, at film school they always tell us to get interesting angles, so if this isn't one, I don't know what is. Alright, so this one should go right here. I hope that isn't too bad. Moment of truth. Is it working? Let's find out. Perfect! Nice! And that's the first part of my overhead rig. I can store it away. If you know my channel, you would know I do live streams. And I also do live unboxings. So that means I somehow need to get the live feed from this camera to my streaming computer. Guess how I'm doing this? Yeah, via HDMI cable. Welcome to the backside of my monitor. As we can see, there are 2 HDMI cables running down to my computer, and as I mentioned, it was a mistake. One cable was meant for my streaming computer, so I have a monitor for that, and the second one was meant for my main computer, but I ran into some issues with resolution, so I stopped using it on my main computer, which actually means we have one HDMI cable in the wall which we can use. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. And now to the grand final. We are mounting the actual camera. It's my Sony A6300 and it's basically the same one I use as a face cam when I do live streams, so the budget host gave me wasn't enough to buy a new camera. If I could, I would, but there is no budget, so I guess I need like 20k more subscribers to be able to afford a new camera for my top view. So go ahead, subscribe, and let's mount this guy. Let's just use this one for... wait. No. I should have known. Guys, do you actually see it? I was like, yeah, I do not have to run an HDMI cable up there because we already have one. But I totally forgot that it's a normal HDMI cable. It's not an extension. Damn it! So I have I have two HDMI male ports to another. So actually I cannot continue working on this project right now because I need to get an adapter or get an HDMI extension cable up there instead of a normal one. Ah, I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. Okay, so even though I just f***ed up pretty bad, I managed to get a demo running in the background, and this is what it should look like once it's, yeah, working. Actually, how it's working at the moment, this cord is just running right into the monitor, so I can't, yeah, use it as a streaming solution right now, but later on it should work like this. I can enable it, camera is starting up, I can get my framing, like, yeah, today we're gonna review this beautiful power tool, and I can start using it. Yeah, actually that's too close. Like something like this. And the great thing is it's actually hanging from the ceiling, so if I run around and bump into my stand, it's not gonna shake. So that's pretty cool. That's my, I would say, 95% successful overhead rig project. If you like the video like this without the concept and script and anything, please let me know in the comment section, because if you like that shit, we're gonna do more of that. As long as it's okay for host, but I would like to do more of those. I'm just the editor and I'm doing something crazy. Look at me and I'm doing something here. Yeah, videos. So please let me know. Also hit like if you like the video and consider subscribing, because as we learned today, I need like 10k more subscribers to actually matter if I reach out to any brands for, let's call it promotional stuff, okay? Yeah, so please go ahead, subscribe. And actually, the end cards should start now, so I have 20 seconds, 15 actually. Yeah, consider sharing this video if you liked it. Please write a comment about whatever you want to criticize on this project, or if you have questions, join our Discord server. And that's basically everything for this video. Yeah, I'm running out of time.